um, do a little bit of backtesting using Market Cipher, and it's quite very glaring over here that there are a series of movement that we can literally backtest using Market Cipher, and how Market Cipher accurately predicts the very direction of an asset. And over here, you could realize that there was a very heavy downtrend from this side, from this part, this side all the way to this side, and I just want to highlight on how Market Cipher accurately predicted every direction of Bitcoin pertaining to that time frame. So as a look here, as we saw our indicators, which are supplementary algorithms. These are just road signs. They really doesn't affect the very direction of price heavily. They don't influence the very direction of price. They just gives us caution. And once we saw a bearish signal here, we should also take a critical look at how momentum wave, which is one of the most influential oscillators in Market Cipher B. We registered a red dot here, which is again a bearish signal, and we realized the momentum was heading towards the negatives. So again, we had another bearish signal here. Then what happened? We entered into the negative. So you could realize that price was falling as well. Then not only was momentum also heading towards the negative, we had our liquid, which is our money flow, was also entering towards the negative. So it's like now we have two most influential oscillators heading towards the same direction. That is two most important oscillators heading towards the same direction. So it means price fell drastically. Then we had a little bit of our bearish signals as well, indicating that price is still falling. Then we had a yellow X, which is a manipulation sign against the price. It's like price react heavily based on the very direction of our oscillators, not necessarily our indicators. Indicators are just supplementary algorithms. They are not heavy decision makers. They are just cautionary algorithms. So the very impact of price, or the very direction of price, is influenced heavily by, first of all, one, liquid, which is very essential, and also momentum, and also our VWAP. So let's see what happened when the direction of our momentum wave changed. So you realize that from this side, we started having momentum heading towards the upward territories, came down here, went upwards, boom, 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 boom. Then liquid was also entering into the positive territories. So let's see how price reacted. You see how price reacted, boom, came upwards. So it means that we had two most influential oscillators in the positive, two influential oscillators in the positive, so price goes up. Then again, momentum fell back into the negative territories. Then you realize that price also headed back down, together with our liquid, which is very another essential oscillator, also entered into the negative. So price also went. But see, the problem most people is their trading are always their trading decisions are influenced heavily by these primary, or these cautionary or road signs. These are just cautionary road signs. Trading with these road signs as your final decision maker isn't the best, because these are just a fragment of a data. You need enough data to base your trading. So price, I think, fell down here and we're in the negative for a while. Then let's see what happened here. We had another green dot, which is a bullish signal. Then we had momentum climbing up, boom, 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 went up. We had another liquid money flow in the positive, then price started climbing up. See what happened? Momentum came down once again, price came down, but we still had liquid, so price still wasn't really going down until we had another surge up here, which is momentum heading towards the upward territory. So it's like the more you backtest, the more accurate Market Cipher is. Just like it makes trading very simplified once you understand how trading works. And like I said, Market Cipher is by far the best trading script out there, without a doubt. Is it simplifies trading, makes trading very simple to understand. Like I always say that the simplicity of your trade shows how much you really understand trading, or how much you really understand how to trade. Because trading shouldn't be that sophisticated. It has to be simplified. And I think Market Cipher simplify. I really don't use any other um, extensions or any other script to back my decisions. I just stick to the fundamentals of Market Cipher, and like I said, it works. Once you understand how it works, it will work for you easily. And I do have a course. Again, it's in the pipeline, and I'll announce to you when it's ready. So until then, have a nice time, people. Peace.